Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, reading ito for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. For those of you who wants to book a personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Ayan. And ako, meron pa akong, until end of August, nag-accept ako dito sa personal astrological reading, astrology reading. Dapat alam mo yung iyong birthday, birth time, and birthplace. Ayan. Doon ka na lang mag-inquire sa virgophilippines@gmail.com. Unfortunately, medyo na yung aking schedule Nabalik na yung aking schedule. So, wait ka lang ng reply ko. Medyo nabalik na yung schedule ko and marami na akong pinagkakaabalahan. But until end of August, magko-commit pa rin ako dun sa aking nasabi na hanggang end of August ako mag-a-accept ng reading. Pero wait ka lang ng reply. Okay? So, let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra? Pa-comment ako dyan sa baba, guys. Kahit po heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Yan. You do have here the King of Swords, yan. That's an air sign. Ace of Coins. Six of Wands. Nakakita tayo dito ng new beginning for you. Maybe a new beginning of partnership. New beginning of maybe may kinalaman sa past. Well, hindi na ako nagtataka. Nangyayari itong Mercury retrograde at mga retrogrades ngayon. Halos nagkakasabay-sabay sila, no? Neptune, Saturn, Chiron, Pluto, and Mercury. Nagkakasabay-sabay. So, tendency na yung iba sa inyo may mga past na nagbabalik. Any kind of past. Past friends, past career, job, boss, or past people in your life. Love, pwede rin. And nakikita natin na yung mga new beginnings or alam mo yung mga past people or kung ano man yung mga past na babalik ngayon, there's a high chance that this will be stronger. Mas matibay na pagbabalik sa buhay mo. Sino tong person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love? And nakakita tayo ng new beginning dito. You do have the death card. Yeah. This is showing to me as a rebirth. So, this is a past person, pero nagkakaroon ng rebirth ngayon. Okay? Parang nabubuhay ulit. Okay? And maybe whatever happened in the past, nangyari na yon, wala na tayong magagawa doon, but there's a new beginning between the two of you for now. You do have the 5 of coins and the 8 of wands. So, nakakita tayo ng problems na pinagdadaanan nitong person na to. Maybe kung hindi man sa pera, maybe something to do with stressful situation sa buhay niya. High chance that it's about money, pero yung iba, pwedeng it's just stress, it's just pagod na itong person na to. The 8 of wands, I can see that masyado niyang pinush yung sarili niya to do something para, I feel like itong person na to is sobrang nalulungkot, nasasaktan, nadidismaya sa mga pangyayari ngayon sa buhay niya. Like, hindi siya kontento with the 8 of wands, I don't know if you knew about this kasi with the 6 of wands and the king of coins, parang hindi mo alam. Pwedeng hindi mo alam yung mga nangyayari sa kanya. Pwedeng hindi siya open regarding doon. Pwedeng pinapakita niya sa'yo that he or she is the king of wands. Pwedeng pinapakita niya okay siya and pinapakita niya yung situation niya parang okay lang naman, masaya naman with the sun. Like, ito yung pinapakita niya but hindi niya pinapakita yung lungkot at hinagpis at sabihin na natin yung stress na pinagdadaanan niya ngayon. Maybe yung person na to is hindi siya masaya sa situation niya, sa nangyayari sa buhay niya. So, nakakita tayo ng communication, connection sa inyo. So, kung hindi mo to ka-connect tong person na to, maybe this is not your reading. Kasi nakakita tayo ng connection Emotions mo para sa taong to. Six of Coins, you're all about money. Sa ngayon, Six of Cups. And Nine of Coins. Maybe, in the past, nandun yung, talagang ang paningin mo, ang pananaw mo is about love, 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 emotions, emotions, emotions. But with the Nine of Coins, pwedeng sa ngayon, ang focus mo is career mo, how to be better, how to, makuha yung success. Pwedeng part of you is nagagalit, naiinis dito sa person na to kung bakit ganyan siya. Pwedeng may mga times hindi siya ganun ka-communicative or kaayos kausap, hindi siya masyadong nakikipag-connect, communicate. So may mga times nakakainis yung ganun, ano? Kasi maybe you're waiting for something, maybe you're waiting for a message, a reply, or a call mula dito sa taong ito. Tapos, yun lang naman. Hindi ko nakita ito as galit na galit na galit. It's like nakakairita, nakakainis lang. Ba't kailangan maging ganun siya? Parang ganun. And then pwedeng hindi mo alam yung pinagdadaanan niya. This person is, nakita ko ng person na kulang sa tulog. So, I don't know if that's you or this person, yung person na kakonect mo. Anyway, anong energy ng person na ito, emotions niya for you? Na, you do have your 7 of Wands and 10 of Cups. Oh, this person loves you. Mahal ka niya. Gusto ka niya, mahal ka niya, and nakikita natin kung paano ka niya, ano ba ang tamang term doon? Tinatangi or pinahahalagahan? Ayun. Pinahahalagahan ka ng taong ito. And with the 7 of Wands, I feel like this person is kind of like proud sa'yo, sa achievements mo. And I feel like kung ikaw yung ikikwento niya sa iba, sa pamilya niya, sa magulang niya, nanay niya, tatay niya, mga tao sa paligid niya, proud siyang ikwento ka sa iba. Okay, what will happen in the future for the both? Especially that you are the King of Swords. So, like, kapag mapagmalaki ka para sa kanya. So, what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? You do have the Star. I really do like this, ha? Kasi the 3 of Wands, this is some kind of growth na nangyayari sa'yo. Pinaghirapan mo eh. Nakakapagod eh. Pero ginawa mo, and the Star, you are like achieving your goals with regards to your stability, the 4 of Wands. So, pwedeng may mga something na stable na mangyayari sa'yo. Maybe your business or career, it will be more stable. It will be more, mas maganda ang outcome, ang income. I can see a lot of success for you in the future. I mean, ang ganda ng reading for you. I want you to manifest this reading kasi talaga napakaganda niya. The Star is something na mahirap maabot, pero you are one of the person who is lucky enough para ma-achieve itong Star na ito. What is the Star? The Star is your wish, your goals. And pwedeng iba sa inyo, lalo na kung nung kabataan mo, there's a wish na pwedeng hindi mo akalain na ma-achieve mo, and then na-achieve or ma-achieve mo na siya. Yung iba, marami ka ng success na naranasan ngayon, and kung ano man yung mga pananaw sa'yo ng tao, pwedeng nabago mo yun, pwedeng in the past, hindi masyadong maganda ang tingin ng tao sa'yo, like, they see you as someone who is, nagkaroon ka ng parang regeneration, nabago ang pananaw ng tao sa'yo. And now you are, like, you look good, you look fresh, you look proud, and they feel proud, and they are so happy na nakalagpas ka na sa struggle ng buhay mo, and that you are now expressing yourself for who you really are. Okay? And nakikita natin na unti-unti nang nagkakaroon ng blessings paparating sa iyo. Okay? You have to manifest this. You are someone with power. You are someone na hindi man naging maganda yung nakaraan, pero hindi nabago nagiging maganda na siya ngayon. In the near future for your person, you do have the Justice card and the King of Coins. This person is going to tell you the truth about the situation na pinagdadaanan niya with the 3 of Swords. Pwedeng alam mo yung pinagdadaanan niya, may pakiramdam ka na ito yung pinagdadaanan niya, na hindi talaga siya nagsasabi sa'yo about sa mga araw-araw na nangyari sa kanya, emotions niya, etc. Pwedeng hindi siya nagiging open regarding doon. But I can see a big change pagdating dito with the King of Coins. I can see your person who is, about to reveal kung ano man yung mga bagay na pinagdadaanan niya. And with the Justice card, this person is going to tell you the truth. Malalaman mo ang totoo mismo sa kanya. Ikikwento niya sa'yo. Okay? By that time, 3 of Swords is here. So, this is like the pain na nararamdaman niya. So, pwedeng during that time, hindi niya na kaya. Kailangan ko na sabihin to. Kailangan ko na kailangan ko nung mapapaglabasan ng sama ng loob or what. And this person, King of Wands, yeah, this person is going to reveal you the truth about kung ano talaga yung situation niya sa buhay niya. And there's a lot of struggles, a lot of pain. I feel like there's a lot of dilemma, a lot of, like something na bagay na nahihirapan siya ang i-reveal niya sa'yo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.